Look what I woke up to today, YouTubers. It snowed last night. First snow of the year. All the trees are covered with white. But it's 40 degrees right now, so it's not going to last very long. But yeah, the first snow of the year is always my favorite. Look at my beautiful, beautiful bathroom, you guys. Oh, it is so pretty. It's not quite done yet, but it is very close now. Very close to being done. This is the color it's going to be. The color the Venetian plaster is going to be. And that'll look very good with the slate. The colors in the slate. I think I'm going to just move all my things here into the bathroom and just live in the bathroom. It's so beautiful.